Hi students, let me start today class. Today we are going to see modular arithmetic. What is mean by modular arithmetic and where we will use this modular arithmetic you see. Okay, it is a system of arithmetic. Modular arithmetic means it is a system of arithmetic where we will use the integers where numbers wrap around a certain value. So using modulus arithmetic we will get a certain value, and then this modulus arithmetic is a process cyclically. Okay, so we are using this modular arithmetic means in this process will be a cyclically. Then the modulus arithmetic in this arithmetic is developed by whose great German mathematician called Friedrich Gauss, who's hailed as the prince of mathematicians. Okay, he is only first of all developed. Okay, called Friedrich Gauss, so that he is hailed as the prince of mathematicians. Okay, so in your book, page number 46, it is given. Okay, life cycle of plant. These examples where we will use this modular arithmetic. In this example it is given. What is that you see? So first one, the day and night change repeatedly. Yes, so they used it as the modulus arithmetic only. And the day of week occurs cyclically from Sunday to Saturday. First it started Sunday, then last Saturday is finished, means again it will start at Sunday. Yes, then life cycle of plant. Okay, then the seasons of year change cyclically. Yes, what summer, autumn, winter, spring, like that. And the railway time and aeroplane time also work cyclically. Okay, so railway time and aeroplane time we will follow as a 24 hours. Yes, so usually we will follow 12 hours time, but they will follow as a 24 hours timing. Okay, this also it is process will be a cyclically. Okay, so in that modular arithmetic we will use one of the definition, concurrence modulo. What is that? Concurrence modulo. See what is that? The definitions of concurrence modulo. So using this concurrence modulo we will solve the problems. Okay, so first you want to know what is concurrence modulo. So this is concurrence symbol. Yes, so this is called concurrence symbol. So here we want to choose two integers a and b are concurrence modulo n. So modulo value we are choosing n, concurrence modulo n, if they differ by an integer multiple of n. So if they differ by an integer is multiple of n, okay, that we can write it as a minus b is equal to k into n. Okay, here k is, what does that means? For some integer k. Okay, so we can write it as like that. So a minus b is equal to kn for some integer k. Okay, suppose we are using this concurrence, means this also be written as, what is that? How means a is concurrence to. So suppose concurrence remove means, see first we will write this one, a is concurrence to b using modulo means mod, and short form we can call mod. So mod n. So a is concurrence to b mod n. This is concurrence modulo. So this concurrence symbol we can eliminate, means we will write it as like that. Plus b this side comes, minus b, concurrence change into equal, then this mod n is changed into kn. Here k means for some integer k. Okay, so this concurrence modulo we can write it as like that. A is concurrence to b mod n. Okay, so suppose for example any one of the problem it is given like that, means 61 is concurrence to 5 mod 7. Okay, so suppose you see this plus 5 this side comes means minus 5. You check it and see. Plus 5 this side comes means minus 5. So you should subtract 61 minus 5 means we will get it as a 56. So 56 is the divisible by 7. Yes or no? 56 is 7 table, 56 is possible. Yes. 8 sevens are 56. So it is divisible by 7 or else is a multiple of 7. Yes. So suppose this we can write it as 61 minus 5 is equal to 7. Yes. Is equal to 61 minus 5. Separate means 56. This 56 is one or multiple by 7 or else divisible by 7. Yes. So this is called concurrence modulo. Okay. So when we are dividing this n, okay, then means this value mod n, this n we want to divide. When you are dividing this n, we will get the remainder. Okay, we will get the remainder 1 or 0 or 1, 2 up to etc. n minus 1. Okay, so in this problem, suppose the problem is given like that, means concurrence modulo n type it is given. So use like that. Okay, first plus b, this side comes minus b is equal to some integer you want to multiply with the n. Okay, so multiply means kn for some integer k. Any variable we can use. Okay, so like that format you change and you simplify, you will receive the value of that given problems. Okay, see exercise problem. Look at exercise problem, exercise 2.3, first question, then first point. Find the least positive value of x such that, okay, in that x what are the values, x least positive value what we want to find. Okay, here is given concurrence modulo 8. Okay, so see solution first. Given, you should write, given what is that, 71 is concurrence to x mod 8, x mod 8. Okay, now you see plus x, this side comes minus x. Yes, 71 minus x, then concurrence change into equal means mod 8 we can change it to 8n for some integer n, for some integer n. Okay, we can change in the form of like that. So instead of n you can use k also. Okay, any of the variable we can use, but I used here n. So we can change like that. Now instead of x you substitute and see. Okay, x you are substituting the values means surely this you will get a one answer. That answer is surely is a multiple of 8 or else is a divisible of 8 you will get. Okay, so see instead of x you substitute and see. So what is that? Suppose I am substituting 1 means, so see after that you want to write next step, want to write what does that means. Therefore here 71 minus x is a multiple of 8. Okay, is a multiple of 8 we can write, or else suppose 8 you want to bring down means 71 minus x is the divisible of 8 we can write. Okay, so here but I have written like this, 71 minus x is a multiple of 8. That means x you can give values first. So I am substituting 71 minus 1 means 70. 70 surely it will not come 8 table. Yes, so 70 is not possible. Suppose next to 2 substitute means we will get it as a 69. 69 also is not possible. 3 means we will get it as a 68, not possible. 4 means we will get it as a 67, not possible. 66 also not possible. 65 also is not possible. 64 only possible. Then means 5, 6, 7. So instead of x you are substituting 7 means 71 minus 7 we will receive as a 64. That means 64 only is a multiple of 8. That means directly we can write here, therefore since here we want to substitute 71 minus 7 is equal to 64. Yes, 71 minus 7 is equal to 64 is a multiple of 8. Yes, therefore the least positive integer only they asked, least positive value integer value, least positive value of x is 7. Instead of x, you substitute 7 means we will receive as a 64. 64 is the multiple of 8. Therefore, the least positive integer x value is 7. X is equal to 7. Okay, that's all. See, next second point. 78 plus x is concurrent to 3 mod 5. Okay, you solve, you will get the value of x. So, first given 78 plus x is concurrent to 3 mod 5. Okay, now first what we want to do, plus 3 this side comes minus 3 is equal to, okay, mod 5 we can change into 5n for some integer n. Okay, usually here concurrence means any of the outside one value they will give. This value this side comes means minus only. Okay, this is normal equation now. Okay, it is called concurrence. So that plus 3 this side comes minus 3 is equal to mod 5 you change into 5n. Okay, 5 into some variable. So I used here n is for some integer n. Now 78 here two number is 78 minus 3 you should separate means 75. So 75 plus x is equal to 5n. Yes, you will get it as a 75 plus x is equal to 5n for some integer n. You simplify and write this. Now you see, therefore here 75 plus x is a multiple of 5. Okay, 75 plus x is a multiple of 5. So instead of x you substitute and see values. So integers value, positive integers value substitute. 1 substitute means 75 plus 1 76. 76 it will not come for 5 table. Next 2 means 77, 3 means 78, 4 means 79, 5 means 80. Okay, in that 5 table after 75 80 only possible. Then means instead of x you substitute 5 means we will receive as a 80. So 80 is a multiple of 5. Therefore since 75 plus 5 is equal to 80, 80 is a multiple of 5. Therefore, okay, we can write the least positive integer, least positive value of x is, least positive value of x is 5. Therefore x value is 5. So instead of x you are given 5 means surely it is a multiple of 5. Therefore the least positive value of x is 5. Okay, that's all. See, next problem. So you solve 89 is concurrent to x plus 3 of mod 4. Okay, solving this we will receive the value of x. Okay, so see solution. Given the number 89 is concurrent to x plus 3 of mod 4. Now how want to solve this? First this terms want to come this side means 89 minus of x plus 3. Both the term is togetherly is there, so that plus this side comes minus of this. So concurrence remove means equal mod 4 you change into 4n for some integer n. So like that problem is asked means you want to solve this method only. Okay, so next step, see this 89, this minus is common, so that minus x minus 3 is equal to 4n. Okay, for some integer n. Okay, we can write the same. Next 89 you should subtract 3 means we will get it as a 86 minus x is equal to 4n for some integer n. Yes, for some integer n. Now see this, instead of x which value you should substitute is the multiple of, next step you want to write, therefore here 86 minus x is a multiple of 4. Okay, so see which value you should substitute, then you should separate, we will get it as a one answer. That answer surely is a multiple of 4. So what answer you check it? So instead of x you should substitute and see. Suppose 1 you substitute means 86 minus 1, 85. 85 is not possible. Suppose you substitute 2 means 86 minus 2, 84. 84, 4 table is possible. How many times? So 80, here 84, 4 table means, so 21. 21 into 4 means we will get it as a 84. That means 84 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, instead of x, you want to substitute the value is 4. Therefore, since 86 minus 2 is equal to 84. 84 is the multiple of 4. Therefore, the least positive value is the least positive value of x is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So, instead of x, you are substituting 2 means surely that number is multiple of 4. Therefore, here question asks to find positive value of x. The value of x is 2. That's all. Next you see fourth problem. 96 is concurrent to x by 7 mod 5. Whatever number as it is you bring this side. Okay, same method only you want to solve. So given 96 is concurrent to x by 7 mod 5. Okay, so this step here want to come is 96 minus x by 7 is equal to concurrent change into equal means mod 5 change into 5n for some integer n. The same procedure only. Okay, some integer n. Now, instead of x you should substitute. Now, next is 96 minus x by 7 is a multiple of 5. Okay, then means before you want to go, because we are subtracting 96 before number. Okay, before which number is the multiple of 5 we want to check. So you check what number. So you substitute and see. 1 you substitute means, so we will not get. Yes. So next 2 you substitute, we will not get. 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. So 96 before number 95. So 95 exactly 5 table is possible. It's a multiple of 5. Then means x you substitute which value we will get it as a 95. You are substituting 7 only. Because 7 by 7 cancel only we will get it as a 1. Yes. 96 minus 7 by 7. 7 cancel means 96 minus 1. We will get it as a 95. Therefore, here instead of x you substitute 7 means, since 96 minus 7 by 7 is equal to 96 minus 1. 7 cancel means 1. So we will get it as a 95. 95 is the multiple of 5. Therefore, the least positive value is value is 7. Least positive value of x is 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. So any other number is given means we will not get answer. Therefore, x you want to substitute 7 means 7 cancel, 1 you will get. 1 you should subtract means 95. 95 is a multiple of 5. Therefore, the least positive value of x is 7. Okay, that's all. Next you see fifth problem. 5x is concurrent to 4 mod 6. See, at the same procedure you want to solve this problem. So first given value write, given question 5x is concurrent to 4 mod 6. Now concurrence remove means 5x plus 4, this I come minus 4 is equal to 6n for some integer n. Okay, now so this is a 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4 is a multiple of 6. So see, therefore since which number is a multiple of 6 you want to check. So suppose you are substituting instead of x 1 means 5 ones are 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 we will get it as a 1. 1 is not a multiple of 6. Next you substitute 2 means. So instead of x 2 means 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 means we will get it as a 6. 6 table 6 is possible. Okay. 6 is a multiple of 6 only. Yes. Therefore, since you are substituting here 2 means 5 of 2 minus 4 is equal to 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. Okay. So therefore, the least positive value is value of x is 2. Okay, instead of x you substitute 2 only, we will get it as an answer. Therefore x is equal to 2. Okay, answer is 2. See, next third one, solve 5x is concurrent to 4 mod 6. Yes, so already we did the first question, 5 subdivisions we did. Yes, in that question is asked only least positive value. That means only one value we will get. Okay, but here solve means x you will get many values. Okay, so that what is that you see? So see solution. First, given 5x is concurrent to 4 mod 6. So this we can change it as 5x minus 4. Concurrence plus 4, this side comes minus 4. Concurrent change into equal means mod 6 change into 6n for some integer. Okay, least positive value as means n you use. So instead of here n, I am using k because here as is solve. So solve so that different variable I am using for some integer k. So x k value will get it as a integer value. Okay, for some integer k. Okay, now here you see you need the value of x only. Okay, therefore here this we can write it as 5x is equal to minus 4, that say go means plus 4 plus 4 plus 6k. Okay, already 6k is there, so plus 6k you write, minus 4 that side go means plus 4. We need the value of x, so x is equal to, after this step we can write it as like that. Now x is equal to 4 plus 6k divided by 5. Thus division here multiplications of 5, this side go division by 5. So now we need the value of x means k you want to give the values. Okay, now I am substituting first. When k is equal to 1 means, see x is equal to 4 plus 6 of 1 whole divided by 5. What you will get? 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4. Okay. So see 6 plus 4 10. 10 by 5 2 you will get it as. Okay, you will get. So see 4 plus 6 10. Directly I will write 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Yes. 10 you should divide by 5, we will get it as a 2. So instead of k you substitute 1 means we receive as a x value we received as a 2. Next k is equal to 2 means 2 you substitute and see 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 by 5. 5 table 16 is not possible. Okay. Next 3. 3 is possible or not, you check, is not possible. 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. 22 surely it will not divisible 5. Okay. 3 not possible. 4 not possible. Next 5 you check. 5 also. 6 5s are 30 is not possible. 5 next is 6 only possible. K is equal to 6 only it is possible. K is equal to 6 means in between value is not possible. So then means 4 plus 6 of 6 divided by 5. Okay, then means 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4, 36 plus 4 means we will get it as a 40. 40 divided by 5 we can cancel 8. 8 5s are 40. Okay, then next value, k value, we will get it as the, okay. See how we want to find easily means first value alone you want to substitute and see, okay. First value alone finding means next remaining value easily we will get, okay. So I substituted first 1. Next here which number we are dividing, the number 5 only we are dividing means, so instead of k I substituted 1. Next you want to add with 5, so 1 plus 5 6. So next value 6 substitute only, x answer you will get. Next value 6 plus 5, okay, because we are dividing by 5, so 6 plus 5 11. So 11 substitute only, that number is divisible by 5. In between 7, so substituting, suppose instead of your k value you are substituting 7, 8, 9, 10. So surely we will not get, okay. So you are substituting 5, 11 only, surely it is divisible by 8, 5, okay. Therefore 6 plus 5 you should add means 11. You substitute and see now, 4 plus 6 of 11 by 5, okay. So then means 6 into 11, okay, 6 11s are 66. 66 plus 4, okay, what you will get, 66 plus 4 70. 70 by 5 means we will get what answer, 1 5s are 5, remaining to 4 5s are 20, 14 you will get. So like that it will go on. Therefore when you are substituting 1 6 11 means we will get it as a solution. Therefore the solutions are how, first value 2, next value 8, next value 14. So how we will find out next value, you see 2 and 8 which number they added, 6 they added, yes. So first two values or 3 values find, okay. Then remaining values easily we will write here also. So here first number after finding I added with 5. Here you see 2 after we are receiving 8, then means what is the difference, 6, because mod what value we are getting here, 6, the 6 you should add, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 6 14, next 14 plus 6 we will get it as a 20 up to etc, okay. Suppose you don't want this, you can leave. So the solutions are 2 8 14 20 up to etc. Next instead of which value you substitute, we will get it as a 20, so you should add with 5. So 11 plus 5 means 16. 16 you should substitute, we will get it as the x value is 20, okay. Therefore the solutions of x values are 2 8 14 up to etc, okay. That's all. See next fourth question, solve 3x minus 2 is concurrent to 0 mod 11, okay. So see solve means x you will get many values. First you should write given 3x minus 2 is concurrent to 0 mod 11, okay. Next you see our 0 this side comes minus 0 only, 3x minus 2 minus 0 is concurrent to change into equal means mod 11 change into 11k for some integer k. Only one value as means n you use. Suppose here solve means you use k, okay. Your wish, any of the variable also you can use. So for some integer k, now 3 here 2 minus 0 2 only, so 3x minus 2 is equal to 11k. So next step you see you need the value of x, so that 3x is equal to 11k minus 2, that's why go plus 2. Now you need the value of x means 11k plus 2 divided by 3, so we get the value of x. Now we want to get the value of x means k you want to substitute. When first value k is equal to which value is suitable, you see first suppose you are substituting 1 means 11 ones are 11, 1 you are substituting, check it and see. So 11 plus 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 divided by this, surely we cannot get cancel, yes. Next 2 you substitute means what you will get, 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 2 divided by 3, so 3 table is not possible. So see 24 you will get, 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 2, 24. 24 divided by 3. So we can get answer. 8 3s are 24. We can get cancel, so that x value we received as a 8. Okay. Therefore, you see first value is 2 only possible. K is equal to 2 means x is equal to 11 of 2 plus 2 divided by 3. So 22 plus 2, 24 by 3. Okay, 11 2s are 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 you should cancel means we will get it as a 8. Suppose you need means you should write this. 11 2s are 22 plus 2 divided by 3. So 24 by 3 we will get it as the answer 8. Next, k value we want to substitute which value, already I told here which number we are dividing 3, that number you should add with this number. K first answer alone you find. Next we will add 3. So you should add with 3 means 2 plus 3 5, because we are dividing here 3 means this 3 you should add with k means 2 plus 3 5. Next k, instead of k you substitute 5. So 5 means x is equal to 11 of 5 plus 2 divided by 3. So suppose you are substituting 3 4 means surely that number is not divisible by 3 only you will get. So that only this is shortcut. So the next value you substitute 5. So 11 5s are 55. Okay, 55 plus 2 divided by 3. So 55 plus 2 means 57 by 3. So cancel means x you will get it as a, okay. So you cancel and see 3 ones are 3. Okay, remaining 2. So how many 9 3s are 27. 19 you will get. Yes, therefore x it will go on. Like that answer you will get. Therefore the solutions are okay. What is the solutions are? First value we received as a 8. Next, so here mod value is 11. So 8 plus 11 you should add 19. Yes, this also shortcut, easily we will get 8 plus 11 19. Next, 19 plus 11 you should add means we will get it as a 30. So instead of k which value you should substitute, we will get it as a 30. So 5 plus 3 8, because you are dividing 3 means you should add 5 plus 3 8. 8 you substitute means we will get it as the answer is 30. Okay. Next, 30 plus 11 you should add means we will get it as a 41. So up to etc. you should put. Therefore the value of x is 8 9, that's 8 19 30 41 up to etc. That's all. Okay.